Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to the first 10-minute episode of GeekMatrix. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to kick off this tech adventure with you. Artificial intelligence. You've probably heard the term thrown around in tech conversations, sci-fi movies, or simply when talking about the future. But what exactly is it? In the most basic sense, AI, or artificial intelligence, is the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. It's about creating machines that can perceive their environment, understand complex data, learn from it, and make decisions. Sounds pretty sci-fi, right? But it's very real, and it's transforming the world as we know it. AI is everywhere. From the recommendations you get on your favorite streaming service, to the virtual assistant on your phone that helps you find a nearby cafe, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. And it's not just about making our lives easier. AI is being used to solve some of the world's biggest problems, from climate change to healthcare. So, what are we doing here at GeekMatrix? We're not just talking about AI, we're getting our hands dirty. We're going to dive right into the nitty-gritty of AI and get a real, practical understanding of how it works. And we'll do this by building our very own AI assistant. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to build an AI assistant from scratch. Building an AI assistant is no small feat, but we're up for the challenge. We'll start from the basics and gradually work our way up. We're going to learn about machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and a whole lot more. It's going to be a fun and educational journey, and I'm excited to embark on this adventure with you. So, to get started on my AI adventure, I thought, why not build my very own AI assistant? Yes, one of those nifty smart speakers. I'm calling it the DadBot 3000. First things first, we've got this box of tech components here. I have no idea what's inside, but that's part of the fun, right? You see, every piece of tech starts with a box like this, a treasure chest of potential. It's like Christmas morning, unwrapping each piece, not knowing what you're going to find. Inside, you might come across a Raspberry Pi, a small but mighty computer that serves as the heart of many DIY tech projects. Or maybe you'll find a breadboard, a playground for electronic components where you can experiment without the commitment of soldering. As we delve deeper into the box, we're likely to encounter microcontrollers, the brains of our operation. These are like miniature computers on a single circuit board, running the software that will bring our project to life. Don't be surprised if you stumble across a bunch of resistors. These little guys are crucial for controlling the flow of electricity in our circuits. Think of them like the speed bumps of the electronic world, slowing things down to a manageable pace. And then there are the capacitors. These are like tiny batteries that store and release electricity. They're like the sprinters of the electronic world, able to deliver a quick burst of power when needed. Let's not forget about the LEDs. These light-emitting diodes will give our project some personality. They can signal when our AI is thinking, listening, or ready to respond. Last but not least, we're likely to find a myriad of cables and connectors. These are the veins and arteries of our project, transporting power and data where it's needed. But wait, what's this? Ah, the ever-humble screwdriver. The unsung hero of any tech project, always ready to tighten a loose screw or pry open a stubborn case. Next up, we've got these, wires, lots of them. It's like solving a puzzle, but we'll crack it together. With a little patience and a lot of colored electrical tape, we'll make sense of this tangled mess. After all, every great tech project starts with a bit of chaos. Oh, and I've got this AI for Dummies book. It looks pretty intimidating, but I'm determined to understand at least a couple of pages by the end of this episode. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just about gadgets and gizmos. It's a vast field that combines computer science, data analysis, machine learning, and many other disciplines. It's like a gigantic puzzle, and to solve it, you need to understand the pieces. And that's where this book comes in. This AI for Dummies book is like a treasure map, guiding us through the labyrinth of AI. It breaks down the jargon, simplifies the complex theories, and makes the subject approachable for everyone, even those of us who aren't tech whizzes. Now, some may think, why do I need a book? Can't I just watch a couple of online tutorials? Well, sure you can. But there's something about having a good old-fashioned book in your hands. It's tangible, it's real, and it's there for you, even when your Wi-Fi isn't. It's a constant companion on this journey of discovery. As we embark on this journey to build our DadBot 3000, this book will be our North Star. It will help us understand the why behind the how. It will tell us why we're connecting this wire to that component, why we're writing this line of code. And that, my friends, is how we truly learn. But remember, it's not about understanding everything in one go. It's about taking one step at a time, about enjoying the process. It's about embracing the confusion, celebrating the small victories, and learning from the setbacks. So let's dive into this book. Let's decode the mysteries of AI together. It may seem intimidating now, but with every page we turn, with every concept we grasp, we'll be one step closer to bringing our DadBot 3000 to life. So, stick around as we navigate through this tech labyrinth, explore the geeky side of life, and who knows, maybe even make my DadBot 3000 say hello world by the end of this episode. Thanks for joining me on this crazy adventure. If you're as clueless about tech as I am, consider subscribing because we're going to learn together. In this world of ever-evolving technology, it's important to keep learning, to keep pushing boundaries, and to keep exploring new horizons. And remember, it's never too late to jump on the tech bandwagon. The world of artificial intelligence can seem daunting, but it's also fascinating. It's the stuff of science fiction brought to life. It's the future happening right now. Even if you don't know your Python from your Java, or your Raspberry Pi from your Arduino, don't worry. We're going to break it down, piece by piece, byte by byte. We're going to tackle this tech labyrinth together. We'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, and we'll make it understandable, accessible, and most importantly, fun. We'll sort through the wires, the code, the algorithms, and the machine learning, and by the end of it, we'll have a working AI assistant. The DadBot 3000 will be more than just a pile of components and a dream. It'll be a tangible, talking testament to our shared journey into the unknown. So whether you're a seasoned tech guru, a curious newbie, or somewhere in between, this journey is for you. We'll navigate through the complexities of AI, we'll explore the geeky side of life, and we'll do it all with a sense of humor and a spirit of adventure. In the end, we're all just explorers in the vast landscape of technology. We're all just trying to make sense of this digital world, one bite at a time. And together, we can do just that. So buckle up, embrace your inner geek, and get ready to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Time to unleash the geek, folks. See you in the next episode of GeekMatrix.